Welcome to AutoCool, your go-to source for car air conditioning repairs and auto care tips. Is your car's AC making strange noises or not cooling properly? A worn-out compressor pulley might be the problem. In this video, we'll show you the steps on how to replace an AC compressor pulley assembly, so you can get your air conditioning running smoothly again. First step is to remove the compressor. Remove the AC clutch plate by loosening the center bolt and sliding it off. Keep track of the shims behind it. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll break down the key warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Remove the snap ring and slide the pulley off. Use a puller tool if needed. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more car AC repair and auto care videos. Check for wear or damage. Before installing the new pulley, clean the compressor shaft to remove dirt and rust. Install the new pulley, secure the snap ring, reattach the clutch and check clearance. Once assembly is installed, reinstall the compressor, fill with Freon, test the AC, and listen for any unusual noises which may indicate improper installation. A failing AC compressor pulley can cause all sorts of problems. Grinding noises, a burnt hub, a slipping belt, or even a weak air conditioning system. If left unchecked, it can damage the compressor and leave you with no cold air on a hot day.